How's it going, guys? Today we are going to install a third brake flasher on the Miata. If you guys don't know what a third brake flasher is, it's basically the newer brake light on the new cars that when in traffic, when a new car comes to a stop, the third brake light flashes 3 times and then it stays on. So I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to do something like that on the Miata to make it safer in traffic and also because it looks cool. So let's get this third brake light flasher installed, guys. You could see the Nissans in the background. Looking good. We got the MX-5 Dream decal right there. Alright, guys, so this is before. Okay, go ahead and step on the brake. As you can see, it's gonna light up once and it just stays there. Let go of the brake, let go, and push again. Normal, just how a normal brake light works. Now let's get the third brake light flasher installed and see how it does. What I did is I cut the wires that go to the third brake light. I cut them, so then I stripped them, and the third brake light flasher is really small. And so what you want to do is hook up the in wires right from your car, and the out wires right onto your third brake light wires. Alright, guys, I got the wires all taped up, so I can put it here. Gonna tie it down with some zip ties. Drift is life. Alright, all zip tied up, ready to go. Alright, let's see them in action, guys. Let's go for a ride in the Nissan, and I'll show you guys how it works. And my brother will be driving the Miata. Okay. Alright, guys, we're going in the cool truck. Okay. Let's go, guys. Alright, so we're driving. I'm driving right behind the Miata, and we come to a stoplight because the light turns red. The Miata has to stop for the light. Okay, light turns green, and we keep on driving, and all of a sudden there's a stop. Okay, now the Miata goes. Oh, a pedestrian. Okay, alright, guys, and that is how a third brake light works. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a like and subscribe if you're new. More videos coming soon.